As the head of quality assurance, I'm thrilled to show you our new Louisville facility. It sets the standard for hygiene and modernization in food production. Here in the receiving area, we combine efficiency with the highest standards of hygiene. Our automated systems
decisions. As you can see, the automated system expertly handles the fresh chicken crates, moving them smoothly towards the initial processing area.
Sureless. As you can see, the precision of these mechanisms directly impacts our product. Accurate and consistent cuts are
excellent precision on those cuts, Sarah. Keep up the good work.
Keep up the good work.
These cuts are nearly perfect, Sarah. Just ensure the next batch maintains this consistency, especially the breast pieces. This is where the magic happens. The rhythmic tumbling ensures deep flavor penetration and consistency. This is where the magic happens. Our industrial tumblers meticulously infuse the legendary 11 herbs and spices. The rhythmic rotation ensures every piece is evenly coated with our secret blend of herbs and spices. Rotating drums are the heart of our operation, ensuring every piece gets that perfect, signature crispy coating our customers expect. Our proprietary breading process ensures that each piece of chicken receives the perfect amount of coating. How the breading adheres perfectly to the texture. That's exactly what we're looking for before the frying process. Ensure every piece matches this consistency. Welcome to the heart of our operation, the frying area. These industrial pressure fryers are critical to achieving that perfect. This specialized method ensures the chicken cooks thoroughly from the inside, giving a perfectly crisp exterior.
How do these look, Dr. Reed?
Excellent work, Mark. The color is perfect. Here we see the final critical stage of preparation. These machines ensure precise This advanced automation ensures precise portioning and secure sealing, critical for preserving the chicken's freshness and crispiness. This expansive cold storage is the heart of our quality assurance. Proper cold chain management is vital to preserving the freshness of our products. The paramount importance of the cold chain cannot be overstated. Maintaining precise temperatures from our facility is We are proud to dispatch this fully loaded KFC delivery. It represents the culmination of our team's meticulous efforts and commitment to quality. That are largest for Zipfus. As you can see, the microbial counts are well within tolerance across all three valued batches. Also, all right, Mark, keep it coming straight.
Copy that, look centered.
Perfect, you are clear to set it down. Excellent work, team. The first shipment is away. Please. The factory operates in a never-ending loop, from fresh chicken delivery to final dispatch. We have rigorous quality.
As illustrated here, the proper handling of this equipment is essential. Any deviation from this procedure can result in significant safety risks.
Remember, we are looking for absolute precision. Any deviation in the coating weight must be reported immediately.
I've optimized the blade speeds for the breast cuts, Dr. Reed. The portion sizes are now precisely calibrated for the new shipment.
We place the sauce packet securely into the side order box like this.
Okay, let me try. Is this correct?
Yes, that is perfect.
The efficiency trends show a clear dip right here. What caused the slowdown on line 3?
That was a brief calibration alert, Doctor. It resolved quickly, but I'll monitor the impact.
This graph highlights the drop in yield, Doctor. We believe it's linked to the new supplier.
I see. Show me the corresponding data from the previous quarter.
Log the incident report regarding the recent batch. We expect a corrective action plan within 24 hours to avoid further delays.
By implementing the new protocols, we anticipate a 15% increase in throughput without compromising our quality metrics.
Pull the lever firmly, then immediately depress the emergency stop. Very good, the system is secure.
As you can see on the whiteboard, these adjustments to the assembly line could boost efficiency by nearly 20% without compromising safety protocols.
This robotic arm ensures precise placement. Our quality checks are integrated at every stage.
We need absolute adherence to the quality specifications. There can be no deviation in the consistency of the raw materials delivered to us.
The current batch is at stage 3. Keep an eye on this temperature readout.
And the pressure gauge should remain in the green zone, correct?
Exactly, everything is running smoothly.
Mark, we need to address this bottleneck in batch 32B. The efficiency targets are slipping.
I agree, Doctor. We can adjust the staffing rotation on the line to compensate.
This new machinery represents a significant leap forward. It boosts our efficiency, precision, and overall quality across the board.
Remember the PASS technique. Pull the pin, aim at the base of the fire, squeeze the lever, and sweep until the fire is completely out.
We must increase output by 10% this quarter. Yeah.
If we optimize the packing line, we can meet that without overtime.
The bottleneck is at station 3.
We need to optimize the extraction process to increase the purity levels, right? If we adjust the pH earlier,
First, open the cabinet and deploy the fire blanket to smother the flames. Then, pull the alarm immediately to ensure everyone evacuates safely.
Mark, your diligent work on the audit has been exceptional. And Sarah, your dedication really shows. Thank you both. Here at KFC, our unwavering commitment to quality and freshness is paramount. It's the secret blend that makes our chicken legendary. Thank you for trusting us with this behind-the-scenes look. Now we invite you to experience the delicious taste of KFC chicken for yourself.
Time to pop rings.